Have you ever wondered why people write books? Imagine this. Somewhere in the world, someone picks up a book. Not just any book, your book. They turn the first page, and for the next few hours, they're inside your mind. Your thoughts, experiences, and lessons. Everything you once carried inside you is now shaping someone else's reality. Take Sarah, a small business owner struggling to land corporate contracts. After years of trial and error, she cracked the code. Instead of keeping that knowledge to herself, she wrote it down. That book didn't just help others, it built her an entire business. Or James, a tech enthusiast who put his ideas into a book. He never expected much, but it landed in the hands of industry leaders, opening doors he never imagined. That's the power of writing a book. It's not about money, it's about connection. A silent, invisible thread between you and a reader you may never meet. Your story holds more power than you realize. The knowledge you take for granted could change someone's life, but only if you share it. So, what's your story? Maybe it's time to start writing.